The International College of Financial Planning, or ICOFP as is popularly known, was established in 2002. The college offers full-time MBA and PGD courses in financial analysis and financial planning.
International College is to make students ready for the real world, which is professionals in the finance and the fashion industry.
Our program is super specialized program which the MBA in Financial Planning program specifically incorporates the curriculum of the internationally recognized Certified Financial Planning program. Basically, Certified Financial Planning program is the highest qualification in financial planning which is recognized worldwide.
First we teach them the sound theoretical concepts. After that they have to do real life projects on each subject, and when they do the real life project it is followed by the presentations. Then it is also followed by the industry internships. So all these combinations ensure that the student is ready for the real life experience.
ICOFP is the third institute in the country which has been recognized by the CFA Institute USA for its MBA Financial Analysis course under its University Recognition Program.
I was looking for a super specialization course in finance, and ICFP has provided me with the platform where I can look forward my career into the financial sector.
It's been a wonderful experience till date, and as a student, the expectation from the college, it could be the simulations, it could be the better staff, the better faculties, all the time when you need them, they are available to you. The classroom with the technologies, the projectors and all that things, it's available in this college, and the college is up to my expectations.
Actually, I wanted to pursue in finance, and ICFP is super specialized in finance and they have certified planners, so I opted for this college.
Very happy to share with you that ICFP is one out of only 3 institutes recognized by the CFA Institute in the country, in India, where they have accredited our MBA FA as a recognized program by them.
Last year, we had created history in ICFA of placing the entire 100% batch 3 months prior to the completion of the program. So, the track record every year has always been 100%, but last year we have completed the placements much before the completion of the program.
The world of fashion is exciting, fast-moving and dynamic, encompassing many different industries including design, manufacturing and clothing distribution, wholesale and retail sales, as well as fashion media and photography. Catering to this need, the International College of Fashion offers full-time programs in UG, PG, as well as diploma courses in the world of fashion.
The highlights is that we have a good mix of design. The curriculum for the design part of the course is developed by NID Ahmedabad. So we have to go in depth with a lot of research work to understand and then implement it into our designing.
The flagship course is Fashion Entrepreneurship, which is available in bachelor's, master's and at the diploma level. The college also offers distance learning programs in fashion entrepreneurship.
We have learned here about fashion, what trend is going in market, how we create trends actually, how designers create trends in market, how we work on that.
The students here are very passionate about their work, the management is very cooperative and the teachers are quite experienced.
Very friendly environment, teachers are very nice and every day a new learning.
All courses in fashion are specially designed to help the students develop the skills required to evaluate business opportunities, create new ventures and foster innovation. Breaking into fashion requires a lot more than just a degree in design and a talent dreaming up runway styles. So if you're looking for something niche, here is where you should be. In addition to its Delhi campus, ICOFP has exclusive campuses in Mumbai and Kolkata. ICOFP is centrally located in the business hub of ITO, with the airport approximately 18.5 kilometers away, New Delhi railway station just 10 kilometers away, and the interstate bus terminus just 4.7 kilometers away. ICOFP is well connected to all parts of Delhi, with the Delhi metro station within 5 minutes walking distance. The USP of the college lies not only in its coveted courses but also the infrastructure and the nurturing environment provided to the students for their overall growth. So, what are you waiting for?
ICFP!